Piffle's ABC book of funny animals. A stands for ape, sitting high in a tree where he is knitting a sweater for me. B stands for Bruin, the great clumsy bear climbs to a treetop if honey be there. C stands for Camel, who loves the hot climb, goes without drinking 10 days at a time. D stands for Deer, the most graceful of all. See how he jumps o'er the old waterfall. E stands for Elephant. With a small eye, eats almost everything, trumpets when dry. F stands for Fox, with a large bushy tail. Dogs like to chase him o'er hill and o'er dale. G stands for Gorilla, enormously strong. When hunters see him, they don't tarry long. H stands for Hippo, who stands in the Nile, wears a loose skin and an expansive smile. I stands for Ibex. I'm a wild goat, you see, high in the Alps. They are hunting for me. J stands for Jaguar, that comes from Brazil, climbs trees and eats monkeys and rarely is still. K stands for Kingfisher, who dies for the fishes and always secures the ones that he wishes. L stands for Lion, that loudly doth roar, making sounds like great thunder when hungry for gore. M stands for Mammoth. An elephant? No, mammoths had wool and all died years ago. N stands for Natterjack. Some call it Toad. Don't you hear it cry, gluck, gluck, out there in the road? O stands for Ostrich, that eats everything. Its feathers are worn on bonnets each spring. P stands for Pig, and I'm sure you're agreed there's no introduction this glutton will need. Q stands for Quail, and Bob White is my name. The partridge some call me and hunt me for game. R stands for Rhino, with horn on his snout. I fancy he's thinking of dinner, no doubt. S stands for Sheep, that were lost you all know by Little Bo Peep a long while ago. T stands for Tiger, a terrible beast. His eyes are on Jocko. He hopes for a feast. U stands for Unicorn, fabled of old. The horn on its head made it fierce to behold. V stands for vicuña. In Chile they roam. On the high, snowy mountains, they're completely at home. W stands for wolf. You must watch or he'll bite. He's often seen prowling in the forest at night. X stands for axis. A deer, spotted white, some call it hog deer, and hunted at night. Y stands for yak. It is covered with hair, long, soft, and silky, fur lace that is rare. Z stands for zebra, the last in the show. He's covered with stripes, like a jailbird, you know.